Well, hello everybody. It's me, Dr. Squig. I am going to be playing this game. It's called Clapism. I bought it a while back. Now, I don't know whether this is a horror, whether this is like a psychological thing, or what it is. I can guarantee it's a bit odd. That's about all I can guarantee. So I guess I'm going to get on with that and see what's been going on. Yeah, that's fine. My saving was not very much. I don't want to spoil what happened to me. Yeah. Why are you so far from saving me? Psalm 22. I don't know if that's a particularly good psalm. Yeah. There we go. So space to interact in dialogues, left click to clap, and then I can move about with WhatsApp. So before we get on with that, and I will turn around and look at the thing in a moment, this game is about clapping in a church. Sounds weird, because it is weird, but I think there's a bit more to it than that, which is kind of freaking me out. Also, there's a bunch of like royalty-free music they made for the game that you can play in the background as you clap, apparently. I would also note that my lovely big speakerphones, which would be perfect for tonight, have broken again. I keep buying the same set. The first set I had lasted for years, and the last two sets, which were much cheaper, mysteriously, have not lasted very long at all. So I may have to look into different brands. So at the moment, I'm wearing little piddly speakers. Makes me sad. All right, let's have a look around at this. So this is our room. There's a big thing up there that says 0. That's how many times we've clapped, I guess. Because if we clap, that happens. Chicken sound, 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's see if the signal still works. Okay. Assume this is the thing, right? Okay. Can you hear me? Clap once, just once, to be sure. Okay, you actually did. Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you. It's alright. I need to test the acoustics here. Sure. Would you clap for me a while? Actually, I need at least a couple thousand of claps. Right. Look around. Kind of clapping as we go. What I do. Some things over here. Just going to walk around clapping, and I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, there's a jacket. Oh, okay. There's an old boombox in the last row. Still works. You can turn it on if you want some sound. I think we rather do. This is a bit scary. What does this say? Come forth and be saved. I like the bloody hand print particularly. That's very encouraging, you know. Yeah. Let's turn on some... Oh, hang on. There we go. Yeah. Nice chill music. See if I can get some time. That's what this game's about. Clapping in a church. We are the clapping in the church. Yeah. This is the entire game. Be clear? Well, sort of is. So I got quite a way before. Trying to talk and keep rhythm is hard. Behind the quiet screen, someone wrote, "Clap forth and be saved." Looks like blood or paint. Hard to tell. They probably fixed it last month though. You know, let's just assume it's paint. Okay. Yes. How are we up to? We're up to 62. I'll turn it up. Yeah, so I don't want to interrupt the song, really. It's nice. There's 100 claps. Good start. Apparently a couple of thousand, but you know. Oh, I have a good sense of rhythm. I really don't. It almost sounds intentional. It's not. Clapping, clapping. I'm looking at various weird elements. There's like a leather jacket. Is that a leather jacket? I guess. When I test alone, I get tired really fast. Uh-huh. You really are quite a clapper. Thank you. What a lovely song. Give him a little round of applause there, as we need to clap apparently anyway. Yeah. So yeah, this is a game about clapping in a church. This is the church in which we're going to clap. And we clap. That's what we do. There's no fear of God apparently in this church. I keep forgetting how large this church really is. And it's not that big. For sure. Every small sound resonates here. I mean, sure. Maybe we clap a bit more. Try and get some numbers. This is some rookie numbers. Yeah, that's good. Gonna clap in the church. Okay. Did anyone tell you this church has burned before? But its choir never stopped, and now your rhythm reaches deeper than her voice ever did. Congregant, do you hear the church answers you? Do you feel it shiver within your hands? Yeah, so I'm just going to turn the music back on. Yeah. Okay. So it's more than a bit weird, isn't it? Okay. Well, I was going to say there's obviously there's this weird thing over here. Fear of God. Can I duck? No, I can't really do anything much, can I? It's just interact or clap. Try and keep a steady rhythm, like a song. Okay, it's easier that way. Alright. It's easier that way. Oh, I need to scratch my arm. This is, yeah, it's weird. Alright, let's speed this up. The heck is happening? Hello, Magpie. This is... What did I just say? Our kids got what? This is a game about clapping in a church. You're meant to clap in the church. That's it. You just clap. There you go. Every time you clap, a number goes up. You got a music boombox, so you can play some music while you're clapping. But sometimes weird things happen, like the burning and the words just flashed across the screen. I didn't even read what they were. Nothing good, I'm betting. So let's just try and run around and clap. Oh, keep the pace steady. It helps me map the reflections, and maybe it just helps. Yeah, your kids got bigger. Yeah. So you've got to try and keep the rhythm steady. If you don't keep a rhythm, it gets upset with you. God. We haven't got time to... These are really hard songs to... Oh. Apparently all these songs were made specifically for the game. So they can be broadcast... I'm worried about what's going to happen when we get to 666, I'm not going to lie. Wants to test the acoustics. Well, I'm not sure anyone wants to test anything here. Anyway, we were talking about this. There's like a leather jacket thing here. No idea what that's all about. And then this thing, I don't know if that's going to open. if you stop, that's fine. Okay, well, good. Just let me know somehow. Well, I'll just stop, won't I? That's how you know, right? I am getting a bit worried about what's going to happen when we get to 666. I'm not going to lie. What genre is it? Really weird. I mean, I think it's, given where we are so far, horror / weirdness. You just appear in this weird church and you have to clap along to some music. So far there was some weird demon shouting at me through fire and those weird words. I take horror. I think so, yeah. I mean, good. I mean, you'll take horror. Yeah, I think it's worried now where this is going. Yeah, I'm not really sure what's going to be happening with it. I feel like I'm going to get an RSI. In any case. Oh, it's closing towards 666. That's never good. Name? Yep, knew that was coming, didn't we? What was that? I lost you for a second. Uh-huh. The grid probably overloaded or something. Yeah. I mean, that was not nearly as terrifying as 300. I think it's just we keep hearing the same song over and over again. Let's skip. That's nicer. Oh, that's a clapping song. Plus, the hands plus noise just looks weird, right? Oh yeah. That's clapping music. Oh, The rhythm blends with the boombox a bit. Well, yeah. It's nicer than I expected. Okay. Why were you expecting anything, by the way? Yeah, clapping. Hide in the corner here, maybe that'll help. Ooh, that's some good, good clapping music. Oh, all right. I'll adjust the levels now. Don't go quiet just yet. No, I won't. We're closing on 1,000. That's good. Yeah. Oh, 950. Working here alone gets lonely fast. Well, you're alone. It's nice having, well, company, I guess. I'm just clapping. Okay. We can get to 1,000. Oh, nice. These things are very... Oh, for a moment, it felt like the room wasn't empty anymore. Aww. I know you're not here. I don't know where you are, so... But, you know, I'm here. Clapping away. Ready? Whoa! Okay. That's the first test done. Alright, we got to 1,000. Thank you for staying. That's alright. Let's keep the channel open a little longer. Yeah, they have a few hours. Yeah! It's easy, we just clap. Nothing weird's gonna happen. It's fine. Okay. Speed it up a bit, huh? Ooh! Will you keep clapping? Some days that's the only thing that helps. Sure! Have a good clap. The hand plus noise just looks weird. Yeah. Noise is weird. Long way to go. Oh, I used to spend nights here after work, not for prayer. Just didn't feel like going home yet. Okay, sure. Yeah, clapping. So how's everyone been? Anyone been out clapping? Oh, people always say churches are peaceful. Yeah, never understood that. Peaceful places don't make your skin prickle when you're alone. Well, that's not a very positive thing to say, is it? That's rather negative, if anything. Well, what's the next song? We'll have a clap. Is that it? Is that all the music? Oh no, there's another song. What's this one? Ooh. Yeah. Sounds like it's going backwards. Oh. Yeah, some of the tunes are really banging. Yeah. Oh, it's round show. Every old place smells the same. Wood, wax, something like rain. Oh yeah. Now, 300 was an issue. 1300 is not. Okay. And there's some obvious ones, like 666. We knew it was going to be weird, but... I'm leaving you. Oh. We've renovated this church a couple of times. I remember how the floor used to squeak. It doesn't anymore. Yeah. Anyway, how's everybody been? Real life going well? I hope so. What's the objective? Hang on. Actually, it's just a mixtape I made and loaded into the boombox. Hope you like it. What's the objective? To clap? I'm honestly not sure. There's some weird stuff around the place that we can't get into at the moment. But this? Oh. What? And there's a weird thing over here. There's a weird thing on the wall that says, "Come forth and be saved." Yeah, it's like a leather jacket or something here. That's it. Hot. What, you are... Oh, today has been hot. Yeah. Has been. Luckily, I've had the windows open all day, so it's been pretty good. Oh. No, I don't want to leave. I want to stay. Oh, that's what happens when you go to the door. Okay. I see. Ooh, ooh, oh, 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 oh. Let me just do something real quick here. While we're here. Let's get that off the screen. Oh, I wonder if anyone still remembers the last song they played here. Probably something hopeful. Always end with something hopeful. Yeah, I guess so. Yes, indeed. Oh, well, thank you for answering me. Oh, this sounds like a bit of a banger. Oh. Yeah. It's kind of difficult to clap and talk. And all the songs have got very rhythms. You have to kind of either go with them, which means we're going to hear hours, or oh, okay. I think about leaving this job sometimes. Then I remember I don't have another one. Ain't that the truth, huh? Just in general. I don't know what his job is. Or is he downstairs in the bunker? Maybe. I don't know if I want a job in a bunker of a church. Or church. Definitely a case of church. I should keep an eye on the numbers. I don't want to... I want to know when things happen, right? Clap. I'm clapping. I'm clapping for all I'm worth. Don't upset me, please. Please. Don't hurt me. Exactly. Definite church. It's a church where you can come and clap. This, I think, is the church from Manalod's. Without the boombox, obviously. But otherwise, this is kind of what I think it looks like inside. A church, again, I think it's the same one. Sometimes I walk in here, and it feels like the room was already listening to something. And I stepped on it. I stepped on it. Okay, well, sure. Yeah, so, Portek. Is that Portek? Probably. Who else would come here? This lunacy. Who would click on this as a thumbnail? Oh. The music's actually quite good. Oh, I used to come here for the quiet. Now, when no one answers, it feels colder than it should. Sure. It's a crazy thing to say. And you can't clap while those little things come up. You've got to go through them. It's hard to keep a rhythm. Here today. Hello! Oh, Jesus. Before her, before you, there were others. They clapped in the dark, long after the fire died. The first congregants. They believed sound could hollow a path to the divine. They were wrong. It was not the divine who answered them. Well, okay then. Well, let's move that on. Oh yeah, that's more of a clapping the song. We're nearly at 2,000 claps. Yeah. So, oh, there was a man. He had them sing before they drank poison or something. Oh yeah, was that? What cult was that? Was that a cult? I keep forgetting his name. Maybe that's for the best. Oh, I mean, I've forgotten his name as well. It was some. What was the name of the cult even? I don't remember. I don't remember what the cult was. Let's just focus on getting 2,000. Nothing happened at 2,000. I got achieved for clapping 2,000 times. Yeah. Kool-Aid. Yeah, it was they drank Kool-Aid, but what was the name of the cult? Anyone? No, never mind. People always say silence is peaceful. I don't think so. Obviously not. Makes me feel like something's about to happen. Clapping! Clapping's about to happen. Yeah, no one has a cult called Kool-Aid. That wouldn't make any sense. If I had a cult, I might call it Kool-Aid, just from the very get-go. It's like, Kool-Aid. Yeah, just letting you know. Straight up. I'm not having any, but there's plenty to go around, you know what I'm saying? Although, to be fair, that cult was a pretty nasty ending. Oh. You don't have to rush. Yeah, you see? I like the sound. Like he's just angry that I'm going too fast, maybe? I don't know. Yes, well, anyway, welcome to me clapping in a church. Gotta find the rhythm that they'll accept. I would call my cult cool cult. Cool cult, yeah! It's a cool cult. Join the cult. It's cool to be part of the cult. Not sure why you wouldn't be part of the cult. It's cool. Be cooler if you were part of the cult. In any case, yeah, clapping in a church. I don't really have much more to say. It's great. So yeah, I'm trying to decide what we're going to do with Wednesdays, because playing these weird little games is obviously, it's fun and all, but don't know what we're really doing with it. Oh, you're still here. Yes, good. Most people would have left by now. Sure. Oh, Portek, join my cult. Are you joining her cult? What? I could be interested too. What are the rules of your cult? Oh. It's only clapping the whole game. Yeah, just clapping and demons. So, with the cool cult then, what... well, to be fair, Portek, it's not just clapping. There's lovely music. And there's a weird, freaky surroundings, and demons keep talking to us. But yeah, all we do is clap. That's all we have to do. Just clap. and occasionally get talked to by demons. And we can watch it. Dad's favourite. Okay. Chul. Oh, okay, I get it now. I just got it. Oh, I don't think this church has much time left. They said they'll lock it up for good. Church. Once again. I mean, fair enough. It does seem a bit culty. Are you going to be... I'll join the cult. What are the rules of the cult? If you clapping for 3 hours, is that what you have to do? Are you going to be clapping for 3? I hope not. I think I'll get an RSI. But that's the point, right? It's a game about clapping in a church. I mean, it's exactly what you get on the tin, right? You clap in a church. Oh, and stuff happens. Oh, I never introduced myself. I'm Ellen. Oh, okay. Story's moving on. See? I'm the one handling the sound tests here. Yeah, I got that, as you might have noticed. Yes. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Ellen. I'm the guy clapping in a church. Yeah. And not necessarily. We can take a break. And at the end you will have died. Where is the... What? What was that? Where is the something? I missed it. Man. It comes out of left field. Like, you don't never know when it's going to be. 2626. Okay, that's relevant. I can restart that song. I'll move on to the next one. What? Where is her head? Well, that's not a good sign. Oh. I've heard this song. Let's move on. Yeah, maybe. Where is her head? Well, that's never a good... It's never a good thing to be told. Yeah, maybe there'll be a plank at the end, Portek. I mean, this place is made out of wood. There are planks in it. Oh, there we go. Yep. It's just me just clapping. That's the game. That's the game. The music's pretty banging, though. I quite like it. Okay, we got some way to go, I think. Let's just keep clapping. Oh. The lights flicker sometimes when it rains. Aww, atmospheric. I keep telling myself it's just the wiring. This is a game. It's a normal game. I mean, it's a very short game, I believe, but about a haunted church where you're meant to be clapping, and weird stuff happens to you randomly. And I don't know if they took their jacket off and went down this hole, but I can't seem to do anything with the hole. So I guess. And, you know, I mean, look, come forth and be saved, written in blood or paint. No one's too sure. Yeah, no, this is a very short game by an indie developer, based on clapping in a church. The actual title picture is really nice. Let me see if I can find it in a minute. Let's just get to 3,000 claps, and then I need to step away for a moment. Okay, looks like this feels different when you're not listening. Just keep clapping, okay? It helps me not to feel alone. Aww. You get to the let's get to 3,000, then I might try and find the actual come on. I might try and find the actual thing, the picture for it. It's really good. If you search for Clapism, I think is the name. Let me see if I can find it and just do a picture search. There's a lovely piece of art that comes with the game. Okay, is 3,000 gonna matter? No. Okay, just keep clapping. Imagine your hands would help. When I'm volunteering for parkrun and I have to clap, it really hurts your hands after a while. This guy must be in very serious pain, to be honest. I might have to change hands in a minute. Talk about being in pain. Oh, here we go. When I was little, our pastor said sound could carry prayer further than words. Alright. That's fair enough. Aren't words also sound? Is that not how it... Not that how it works also? Oh. It made us clap after each verse. Ah. Said it helped the angels count. Sure. That sounds perfectly normal. Everything, I'm sure, will be completely fine. Oh. I never believed him back then. I'm not so sure now. Fair enough. I can see that. But yeah, no, this is a game. I don't think it was like less than £2. You know, it's just like a little indie developer who made a creepy game with some very cool music. I think most of it was AI produced because it's all like royalty free and there's tons of it. So I'm assuming they used some sort of AI thing to make a lot of music. Oh, I opened the shutters this morning. Did you? The air in the nave. That's this bit of the church. Felt like I hadn't moved in years. Sure, or was that weeks? Yeah, crazy person who's. So you were in here. You could come in here and clap yourself. I guess is my point. You wanna join in the clapping. And then there are bits of it where it's just like, 277. The chairs are still warm when I come in. Why would the chairs be warm? I don't know how that happens. Yeah, no, that doesn't sound like a thing that should be happening. Righto. We could stand by the altar so we don't have to look, but I don't know. I kind of want to see what's going on, you know? Let's get myself in a corner where we can cover all angles. A bit like, you know, a first-person shooter game, which I did one for the YouTube channel today. It's very much in that kind of 2D graphic way, Wolfenstein-y kind of way, and God, it was very difficult. Not very good at those games. I forgot how very bad I am at them. But it's a fun game. It's paced in 40k, so it's, you know, lots of running around with bolt guns and stuff, but I was not very good at it. Hey, and you know, at least this isn't a drill, I suppose. You know? It does look very similar colour-wise, right? Palette-wise. Oh, man. Oh, this is a song I've already had. Let's try and... We've heard this song before. And this song. Man, is that all the songs? That's going to be annoying if that's all the songs. Maybe all the songs, I think. I like this song, though. It's a good clapping song. Clapping song. Yeah. Or in a circle, to be fair. I think the thing is, you never know... Oh, what? Something's in my head? Is that what it... Did anyone else see that? What was the thing? Was it something's in my head? I think that was what it was. Something's in my head. Let's press the play button again. Yeah. Clapping. It's a good clapping song. Keep the clapping rhythm up. And then square. Man. I should get like one of those things where you can set your clicker to do the clicking. Okay. You've clapped 3,800 times. It's a good amount of clapping. Hopefully nothing scary will happen. And clap times. Sure. I'd rather have the music than not, you know? Even if it's the same songs over and over. Makes me feel less creepy if we just clap into the void. Oh yes, that's some good clappage. Oh, okay. There was a night service when I was 12. Oh, okay, like a service in the church. The pastor told us not to look back, no matter what we heard. I still don't know why he said it. I still remember trying not to turn around. Sure. Let's just get to 4,000. Yeah, I think we might find out before the end of this. go. I like this song. Long way to go. But yeah. So I put some questions up on Discord the other week. And not many people have been having a look at it. And keep counting my head even when you stop. Can't help it anymore. Something to do with this sign. Anyway. Where was I? Yeah. No one's really been answering them much, but got a couple of them thinking of this music, right? Music from a video game that is just way better than it should be, has any right to be. It's just maybe inappropriate for the game. I was thinking of some, which is good. I love Peglin. That's got some awesome music. We played that way back when on the channel, and it wasn't very popular with you guys because you didn't quite seem to understand it, which is fine. I had fun for a couple of hours, but yeah, didn't play it again. But yeah, that's got some really cool music in it. And also games that drove you completely insane and that made you caused lots of emotional damage. For me, it's got to be the original Prince of Persia on the Amiga 500. That did my brains in. I was so sad. I never finished it. There was just this one part where I got stuck and confused and ended up crying. Inside, I don't think I was crying outside, but I was very sad and I couldn't take it anymore. It was not a good time. So I'm surprised I ever came back to play video games again. You played Prince of Persia? Which one? I'm talking about the very first one. It's strange. I don't feel as alone when you're here. Well, it's not strange, really. I mean, you're not. I'm here. Anyway, yeah, you played Prince of Persia. Cool. Yeah, some of the later games are probably better than the first one. The first one with the blue graphics and such, I really enjoyed. Up until I didn't. I'd love to go back and play it now again, but I just don't think it's available for like regular computers anymore. You know? See if I can find it up again. Pull it up again. I don't remember what system is it. Would it even run on modern like systems? I don't know. Oh, geez, we're here again. Beneath the altar, there is a threshold. Oh, Jesus. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's over there. Yeah, it's over here. Can we get into it yet? No. No. Okay, well, that's the thing they did. So it sounds like this church burnt down, question mark? I'm beginning to think the church burnt down. Anyway. Hello? Oh, okay, the music's changed now. Okay. Anyway, yeah. Seems like the last church burnt down. And everyone now lives in the cellar or something. And somebody got beheaded, I think. Which is not a good thing. I don't want to be... Oh god, yeah. Watched a film the other day where someone got beheaded. It's pretty scary. The pastor had this old habit. He'd tap the pulpit 3 times for every sermon. Said it woke the room up. I thought it was silly. Now I catch myself doing it. Uh-huh. Well, thanks. Thanks for that piece of information. How are we getting on? Oh, we're getting there. I think you have to clap like 10,000 times. I think we're nearly halfway there. I think that's the game. Just clap 10,000 times. Hope you enjoy it. It's kind of cool though, right? There's like a little story going on, and I'm just clapping. I don't have to do very much. Just clap and listen to the story. Get RSI. Excellent. The RSI game. Still clapping? Oh yeah. Clapping good and proper. Giving it a good clapping, Portek. You should join us. See if you can do as many claps. We're on 4,820. There you go. How many times we've clapped? My hand hurts. You know, that's fine. There's a person here who wants... Oh, there they are. Funny thing about rhythm, I haven't got any. People fall into it together without meaning to. Maybe that's why faith sticks. Sure. Let's clap in a church. Had a rhythm. You keep interrupting it by saying words that don't let me carry on clapping. I should be logging this. But breaking the flow feels wrong. Yes, could you not? Actually, that would be good. Alright. We're almost at 5,000 claps. Yeah, Portek, you should clap along, man. See if you can clap. Yes. Alright. This game is called Clapism. Yeah, after the game, we'll write a review on the... Hey, 5,000. We'll write a review after the thing. Of course I will with you. There you go. Thank you. Everyone clap together. Makes you feel happy, apparently. Hello. We'll go and leave a Steam review after the game is finished. We can all do it together. Oh, the congregation left months ago. Yeah, I'm not surprised, to be honest. I stayed to lock up. I don't know why I never finished. Locking up, or... And why do you need me to clap? Yeah, well, it's the new religion, I guess. And the new religion is Clapism. It's what the game's called. Makes perfect sense. Oh. If you're happy and you know it, clap 6,000 times. Yeah, I think we can clap more than that. At first I thought I was keeping the sound alive for them. Just that? Okay. Yeah, if you're happy and know it, count a lot. Clap a lot. Until you've clapped all the story away and hopefully clapped a demon away and saved some people from something. Now I think it's keeping me... No, now I think it's keeping you. Okay. I forgot what you said the first time around because I'm talking about something else. So what have you been up to today, Miss Portek? Oh, I'm glad you're here. It needs 2 people. Does it though? Always did. Okay. Funny how no one ever tells the whole story of this place. Uh-huh. Oh, that's a song. Some of these songs are banging. Everything that has breath, praise him. He used to say that. Like he really believed breath was louder than voices. No special work, gymnastics home. Fair enough. Now watching me clap. A lot of times. Still. You know, it's a fun... Oh, it's a fun way of going. He taught the right of returning from psalm cadence. Sure. Slow strikes, steady pattern. He said breaks, let doubt in. Yep. Well, we're not going by a slow pace. We'll be here all day. I'm going by a reasonable speed, okay? Yes, it's relaxing, the sound of clapping. Is it? I'm glad. There you go. Let it relax you. You can... Oh, you can enjoy my clapping. The congregation thought he was quoting scripture. He wasn't. At least, not the kind anyone prints. Yeah, this is what happens inside the church at Manor Lords, isn't it? In New Turnip and all the other turnips. They all just clap. Clapism. That we should invent a religion. Right? That should be the religion of turnips. When he preached, he never shouted. He only raised his palms, and we were answered. One clap at a time. Yeah, well, we're going to do that slightly quicker, but yeah, I get you. I'm with you. God knows what happened there. Well, here or at the at one of the churches. The church in Turnip Vasey. Clappers only eat turnip. Yeah. They're like a particular religion. There's a line in Job. Who can bring purity from the impure? Pastor said the rhythm could. That's why we clapped till our hands burned. Okay. The songs are really good. Yeah, all the 5s. Anyway. You never know when someone's going to talk to you or something's going to happen. We just clap away. And let's say the song is not bad. Oh, he used to tap the floor with his cane. He has a cane now. And say it kept score.